Hi, today we'll cook a whole chicken with vegetables. A delicious and easy meal. We cut the vegetables in small pieces. The potatoes, red and yellow pepper, and onion, but you can add any vegetables you like. We season them with salt, pepper, and paprika. Then we mix them together. We cut the chicken open on the back. Then cut the chicken breast in sections. In a bowl we add salt, pepper, garlic, chicken seasoning, and sweet paprika. 2 to 3 spoons of Greek yogurt. Mix well together. Then massage the chicken with this mix. Add slices of tomato and cheese in the chicken breast. Over the vegetables add a grill. And on the grill add the chicken. Put in the oven for 50 minutes. And it's done. Very easy and delicious. Follow me for more easy recipes. Thank you for watching.